I think beauty is important in the world. I think it'd be hard to find an artist who didn't value beauty. Beauty is a part of the recipe for joy.
In the past years, we've had this big Black Joy Parade, and we knew in COVID we couldn't do that. And so we need to think about what our community really needs. And what our community needed was joy everywhere.
The StoryWindows project is a culmination of a lot of work.
It's from so many different photographers, mural artists, AR artists.
People that are on those walls are people who've been champions of our community in Oakland for over a decade.
I think it represents the people. It represents our culture, our stories, our lives, our history.
If one wants beautiful culture people, then that's the environment that those people deserve to inhabit.